Aboliasio no isemer Nuka Senior kwa Uganda kere kisa potu itegeros kanae balasa koto mokaba le neda potu Aboliasio no agitegeta imoriato netball volleyball keda udbo itegero to
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Gilbert Opio ingan kiniton eti muno abolia ko Amus College ngese balebe eralos kinit Aitelekar kopon koto mairiamun kangin.
As a Amus College school, we are really proud and we are taking probably 4 disciplines, 4 different disciplines because these disciplines we didn't just select them, but it's out of the qualification. Having participated from the district, we are the champions. We went to the region in Amuria. Under 16 boys, we are the champions. So we are taking under 16 boys. Under 16 girls, we are the champions. We are taking them. Our girls were the runner-up after losing to Ngora High School in finals. That's volleyball girls. We are taking them. Our boys also reached that finals and they lost to Bukedia Comprehensive. Still, we are taking them. And we're also taking under 14 boys.
Aboliasio isemer Nuka Senior ngesi kopakana ejasi akera kloedolete ilukumini kanyare kano isap keda pesur ache koto Aboliasio nuitolosio koto mairiamul kangin kesi moriarto dance sport football netball volleyball udubo pros koto ma ache Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East